Hi, this is Davion Bell for Nature's Pill. This is WeezeBelieve.com. Here you go. WeezeBelieve. And then, hold on, here's my new webpage. Hold on, let me show you a little bit of something. Fill out your form right here. If you want to do customer service or recruit, put it at my comments page, and then your phone number, and your city, your state, and your zip code, country. Then here's all the products right here. And then here's all the products. If I scroll down, like career and customer service. Name, an address, and then comments. When you say comment, when it says comments, put your customers, whether you're doing customer service or career down here, and then your name, phone number, address, email, all that. And thank you for supporting Nature's Pill. This is Davion Bell for Nature's Pill. If you have any questions about my new site, WeezeBelieve.com, Nature's Pill. If you have any questions, just call me, 443-694-9220. Thank you for supporting Nature's Pill.